Changing a video background used to take expensive editing software and green screens, but now AI can do it in just a few clicks. And honestly, the results are kind of crazy. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change a video background using Higgsfield AI quickly and easily. So first, open Higgsfield AI and go to the Video tab at the top. From there, select the Kling O1 Edit model. This is one of the easiest ways to replace backgrounds inside the platform. Now, upload the video you want to edit. You can choose any clip you want, and after uploading, Higgsfield will ask which part of the video you want to use. For this example, you can just select the first 10 seconds. Next, you'll need to upload the new background image you want the AI to use. This could be a city, beach, office, gaming room, or literally anything you want behind the subject. Once both files are uploaded, you'll see the original video and the replacement image side by side. Now here's the important part. Inside the prompt box, type something simple like, replace the background of video 1 with image 1. That's it. Before generating, you can also customize settings like resolution, aspect ratio, duration, and output quality. Then click Generate and let the AI process the video. It usually takes a few minutes, depending on the clip length. And honestly, the results can look surprisingly realistic. The AI blends the subject into the new environment, so it actually feels like the person was filmed there originally. This is super useful for content creators, short videos, TikToks, YouTube intros, or even professional-looking edits without needing advanced editing skills. Anyway, guys, that's how to change a background in Higgsfield AI. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want more AI editing tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.